Hello and welcome. You're watching CNN News 18. I'm Avantika Singh. The autopsy report of the RG Kar Medical College rape incident is finally out. As per sources, the report mentions injury in the private part before the death took place, along with heavy blood loss and a ruptured hymen, which indicates rape. Now, it also states that the sign of strangulation has also been found. The resident doctors across the country are staging protests against the rape and murder of their colleague, of the trainee doctor in Kolkata. The students are also raising slogans, justice for healers, and demanding a CBI probe into this case. Now, remember, Mamata Banerjee had spoken to the media. She has met with the family of the victim. She has assured of a speedy probe. She has also given an ultimatum to the Kolkata police to complete the investigation. And if that's not done, she has also said that the case will be handed over to the CBI. Meanwhile, the Federation of the All India Medical Association has called for a nationwide shutdown of all of the OPD services, which begins from today. The National Commission for Women, on the other hand, has also reached the medical college in Kolkata. The team is going to be taking stock of the entire situation. Yesterday, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee assured that if Kolkata police doesn't solve the case, she will hand it over to the CBI.
How can a person who was not able to provide security to the students of one college is transferred to another college? Yes, it is about Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who resigned yesterday in the morning. Then it was seen that he was reinstated here in National Calcutta Medical College. So here the students are very much angry, the CNMC student, the Calcutta National Medical College student, and they have locked both of the gates and they will not allow the new principal to come in. Obviously they have their questions. They are saying that a person who has not been able to provide security to RG Kar, how is it possible that he will be giving security to this doctor? So they have come and they are saying that they are not going to allow the principal. Excuse me, are you going to allow the principal?
No.
Why?
Because of the same reason, he had not been able to provide the security there. So it's not safe with him here also.
Will you not allow the principal?
No, we will not.
Why?
Because what he has done in RG Kar, after that, how can we allow him to come here and do the same exact thing in CNMC? So that's why we won't.
You feeling insecure?
Yes, we are feeling very insecure.
Well, of course, there is a lot of disappointment when it comes to the politics that is being played on the issue. The doctors have been saying that if they are not safe in their own workplace, then what is the point? How could they, in fact, work in such an environment? Let me speak to some of them over here. जिस तरीके से पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है इस मामले को लेके, जिस तरीके से पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है इस मामले को लेके, आप लोग उसको कैसे देखते हैं?
देखो, हम डॉक्टर, किसी भी डॉक्टर को राजनीति से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, और ना हमें कोई राजनीति के बारे में कुछ बोलना है। हमारा कुछ डिमांड है जिसमें सीबीआई इंक्वायरी। हम समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं कि ममता दीदी सीबीआई इंक्वायरी में इतना डिले क्यों। हम लोगों को ये लगता है कि 1 वीक इसलिए मांगा गया कि मैटर को डाइल्यूट करते हैं, सबूतों को मिटाया जाए। तो हम ममता दीदी से यही रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें बस न्याय चाहिए और हमें सीबीआई इंक्वायरी चाहिए। यदि डर नहीं है तो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी क्यों नहीं है? हमें वहाँ की एसआईटी पर, वहाँ के पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पर, वहाँ के कॉलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पर बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं है, क्योंकि शुरुआत में ही वहाँ के डॉक्टर को साइकेट्री कोशिश कर दिया गया, सुसाइड कोशिश कर दिया गया, मामला को एकदम दबाने की कोशिश की गई है। बताइए, ये कहाँ का न्याय है?
अभी तो कुछ बताया गया नहीं है। अंदर में सिक्योरिटी को पूछे हैं, गार्ड को पूछे, वो बोले कुछ सही बता नहीं सक रहे, देंगे या नहीं देंगे, स्थिर भाव में कोई बता नहीं सक रहा क्या होगा। नहीं, अब ये 2 घंटे से खड़े हुए हैं, सब आदमी खड़ा हुआ है, ब्लड टेस्ट करिए। प्रशासन भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, गेट में घुसने के लिए वो प्रेस्क्रिप्शन देखने मांग रहा है।
Okay, let me go straight across now to CNN News 18's Komalika, Anshul and Sharon. They've been getting us all the updates, the voices of anger from the resident doctors. Komalika, coming to you first, I wanted to understand from you, how is it with the investigation still going on? The RG Kar principal Sandeep Ghosh, who resigned, quote-unquote resigned, has now been appointed as the principal of the National Medical College. Who has taken this decision and why has he been reinstated as the principal of the National Medical College?
His resignation was, it's quite clear that his resignation was not accepted, and as he has been transferred to Calcutta National Medical College. Obviously, the competent authorities which does the transfer posting has done that. But the question is, which the students are raising, that a person who has failed to give security in RG Kar Hospital, a person under whose leadership such a big case happened, how that person will hold the same role in another college. And that's why, as we also showed, that all the gates of Calcutta National Medical College has been closed today by the students, and they are protesting there. They're saying at any cost they are not going to allow. The local MLA has gone there. They're trying to speak, but they are not in a point of no return. They are saying they are feeling insecure and they won't allow the principal. On the other hand, as far as the investigation is concerned, today 4 doctors who were summoned yesterday, they have been again called in police by Kolkata police. Now, who are these 4 doctors? These 4 doctors are those people who had dinner with this female that night. So they are trying to corroborate the role of these doctors. And some doctors might have met her at 3 a.m. in the morning. This is doing the rounds. This is not from the confirmed sources, but this is clear that these 4 doctors, they were actually had dinner that day night. So the second day they are questioning these 4 doctors. Now is this leading to something more? That really we'll have to wait and see. And also today the assistant super has been called by the Kolkata police. Also, the chase department head has been summoned by Kolkata police. So all these things are happening as far as the investigation is concerned.
All right, Sharon, Kamalika, just stay on with me. Let me go straight across now to Sharon. Sharon, the shocking case of rape and murder, this very heinous case, has clearly sparked outrage, anger, but also fear among the resident doctors. Now, you've been covering all of their protests, no safety, no duty. That is one chant that we're getting to hear across the doctors. Tell us a little bit more about the plan of action. Are they planning to continue to sit on this protest till their demands are met?
Well, Avantika, I couldn't hear the question properly, but this is the second day of the strike that has been called by the Federation of the Resident Doctors. The demand remains to be the same, that there needs to be justice to the victim and her family. Apart from that, the Central Protection Act needs to be implemented. That is the demand with which on the second day the resident doctors are in fact sitting over here. Now remember, elective services have taken a hit while the emergency services are running as usual, and the in-house doctors and the consulting doctors are in fact working in the hospital, whereas the resident doctors in about 10 government hospitals across the national capital are sitting on protest. Let me get in some more voices from here. जो प्रिंसिपल है आरजी कार कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल है, उनको हटा दिया गया, लेकिन एक दूसरे कॉलेज में उनको डाल दिया गया है, तो ये क्या किसी तरह का न्याय हुआ है?
मैम, ये तो वही लोगों को पागल बनाने की कोशिश की गई है कि एक जगह से छोड़ के उन्हें दूसरी जगह भेज देना और फिर कुछ समय बाद उन्हें वापस उसी कॉलेज में ले आना। इसीलिए हमारी एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट डिमांड ये है कि उन्हें परमानेंटली हटाया जाए। जब तक वो पावर में रहेंगे वो कोशिश करते रहेंगे कि जो भी दोषी है उसे बचाया जाए। जब तक वो पावर में रहेंगे वो कोशिश करते रहेंगे कि जो असली सच है वो सामने ना आए। अस्पताल की सच्चाई जब तक सामने नहीं आएगी तब तक हम कैसे जो है इंसाफ मिलेगा उस डॉक्टर को।
एक और सवाल है मेरा, कल ममता बनर्जी ने ये कहा है कि संडे तक जो है पुलिस अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके अगर मामला जो ट्रूथ है वो बाहर ला सकती है तो ठीक है, वरना फिर वो सीबीआई को देंगे। ये डिसीजन ठीक लगा?
मैम, ये वही है कि टेम्पर्ड सच, वो समय मांग रहे हैं सबूत मिटाने के लिए। अगर वो खुद ममता बनर्जी को खुद लगता है कि सीबीआई अच्छी जांच कर सकती है, ये बात सब मानते हैं, ममता बनर्जी भी मानती हैं, बट फिर भी वो समय क्यों मांग रही हैं? वो स्ट्रेट अवे